Alright, here we are with a cover on it now. So we are now all set to go for the winter season. It's all bolted on, and I also put a coating of Rain-X on it too, so that the snow will not, hopefully not stick too well to it. But anyway, it's done now. So hopefully this will give a few more years of solid service. All in all, pretty pleased with the project. So for not a lot into it. Now a few $100 and etc. etc. On the cover, don't tell anybody, but I did make one screw up. I cut the damn cover too short. Measured 3 times and I still cut it too short. So anyway. Anyway, I fixed that, and it came out good. So I was going to stick a Fisher decal on there, but I said screw it. I'll put a ham radio decal on there. So there you go. That's a story from here. Okay, in the shop here, just as a final section here of this video on the snowplow. Just to wanted to show everybody what what I use for the plow. This is the West System System 105. It's an epoxy resin, standard, nothing fancy about it. Epoxy resin and the hardener. I happen to like the pumps. I think the pumps are great, because it gets the mix right. You basically give, one plunge for each out of each one, and that gives you the mixing ratios correctly. So I happen to like the pumps. They work out very well. So you don't have to use them, but you don't have to think about it either. So except counting how many you put in a cup, when you mix it up. So, and the fabrics that I used, this is a woven tape that I happen to have hanging around. It's pretty classic there. So this was the woven tape. I used that in the middle. I used 2 mats and then a woven in the middle. Was what I typically use when I put the layers on. This is a mat here. A mat is you can see all the fibers kind of go all different directions. So nothing really, but it's typically what a mat is. This was I think an 1.5 ounce mat, somewhere around there. So that's pretty much it. Not a lot to it. So I used I think on the when I applied the fabric, I think I used 2 mats and then one of the woven. So that's pretty much it. Good luck. If you have any questions, drop me a note. Glad to help. It's not the prettiest project in the world. Resin runs and all that, so you boat guys would be horrified, but the snowflakes don't care, and I didn't care if it was ugly, as long as it was functional. So there you go. That's the story from here.